62 years ago, improvements were made to the runway and the airport building, along with the construction of a paved road to Oranjestad, and that was in 1960. It was not until 1971 that we paved public road to the airport that passed through the former Golden Rock plantation. More than half a century later, here we are about to begin the first phase of the further development of our airport with the roads and infrastructure. It entails the reconstruction of the roads, the construction of a roundabout, parking areas, and an area in front of the airport to drop off passengers, and it will be called the Kiss and Go area. We are sensitive to the fact that this project has been undertaken in the St. Eustatius culture plane, which has a significant cultural heritage value and is susceptible to developments such as this project. You have seen for yourselves in recent years as we develop our islands and remove the enormous backlogs in infrastructure that we are encountering clashes between development as well as cultural heritage. And so as we proceed as public entities in Eustatius, we have that responsibility to ensure that there is the right balance between development and the preservation of cultural heritage. Therefore, to avoid mistakes of the past, we held a town hall meeting recently to share the vision with stations and to get your feedback. I thank all of you who participated and gave your input. This Airport Boulevard project is one of several infrastructure projects that are financed by the Ministry of Infrastructure and Water Management of the Netherlands. We have already had the construction of a new passenger terminal as well as the construction of a new afiso tower for the control of traffic in the air. And here we are with this project and will uplift the airport surroundings.